got a video card. This isn't sponsored content. Because our case is a low profile case, we're gonna need to modify our card. Because the card comes set up with the full height bracket, and we need to turn that into 2 low profile brackets. So we're gonna need to loosen up the hex screws. And to do that, I'm using a 3/16 socket. So the low profile bracket with 2 holes cut out, that one's for the HDMI port and the DVI port. Put the bracket on the video card and then reinstall the hex screws. And then the other low profile bracket with only 1 hole cut out, that one's for the VGA port. Then we're going to snug those up with our socket wrench. Don't over tighten them, be gentle. Show some love to your hex screws. So now we've successfully modified our card. We took it from 1 full height bracket to 2 low profile brackets. We're going to put this thing in the computer, see what it does. Remove this. Take this other one here, open that slot out. This is our PCI Express slot. We're going to stick our video card in here. Push your card down firmly but gently. Really show the video card some love. Snap it in. There we go. We got our DVI, we got our HDMI, and we got our VGA. Haha!
It works. Flawless victory.
That video card worked out. My computer is staying a lot cooler. Video playback is smoother. We had a great experience ordering it. I didn't even have to leave the house to upgrade my computer. And for 40 bucks, that's a great deal. So all in all, I'm satisfied. I hope you liked this video about me installing a video card in my computer. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go f yourself. Oh, I'm kidding.